Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am excited to be here to show you my planner setup right now. It has been quite some time since I have posted to my site, in excess of 4 years, if you can believe that. But just life got in the way, and I have just got right back into this. And so I have set up for the month of March with the Cactus Moon design. I got a subscription from Coco Daisy, and so I just wanted to do a flip through before I started writing in it for the month of March. Okay, so first of all, this is one of my planners, and this is a Foxy Fix. And I went to their website recently and it's down. I maybe they're out of business because of the whole COVID thing, but this is a wide, personal wide. I can't really close it right now because I have so much in here. So I just kind of did this as a demonstration for the month of March, and I'm going to probably take out one of the dashboards back here, and I'll show you that in a minute. It's black, and just so you have an idea, because I always wondered this, basically it's 5.5 inches wide by 7.5 inches tall. Okay, so I just like to keep some things handy on the left here. I just love the way that Lorena from Lorena is creative. It's Lorena's Creative Design, and she made me a wonderful bookmark in the back here, and I'm going to show that to you. But she wrote my name on the package, so I just kept it because it was so pretty. I have yet to be able to write like that. This is from Miss Moss, and she also has stickers and t-shirts and all kinds of cute things. My Barnes & Noble gift card, because it's one of my favorite places to go. This is the color swatch from Coco Daisy, and it helps to coordinate all of the different colors of paper and stickers that you're going to use. So I like to keep that handy. These are some of the stickers from Coco Daisy for the design for the month of March. The Cactus Moon, as you can see, I've used quite a few, but I like to keep them handy here. Okay. Then just moving on, I created this dashboard. I made it with all the supplies from Coco Daisy, and I even made this little cute pop-up. Stay sharp and never desert your dreams, and just be. Coco Daisy had a contest this month for us to use the Cactus Moon and try to come up with a project. And so I posted it. They haven't announced the winner or anything like that, but it was a lot of fun just to help me dig in and get started. And my little clip here, that's from Green and Lime, spelled L-Y-M-E, Green and Lime. And I have quite a few of these, but I just love them. And moving on here, I just the back to my dashboard, and then I like to keep these little note papers in here. These are from Lights Planner Action. Okay, so these are just pages for me to take notes on, brain dump, whatever I want. This says, many things in life will catch your eye, but only a few will capture your heart. Pursue those. I love motivational sayings, and I like the simplicity of the back of this. Here's another dashboard. I throw wishes into the night and wait for the stars to catch them. And that's from the Cactus Moon from Coco Daisy, one of the little cards that comes in the planner kit. And I just put the little saying here, wish, because it's motivational. And this is one of their little clips that came in the Cactus Moon kit. I just think it's just adorable. I love succulents too, so I couldn't ask for a better theme. And another great little saying here, what one loves in childhood stays in the heart forever. And then this is another start to one of my sections. I love coffee. One of my other planners is all coffee theme, and so I'll have to do a video of that one next. This sticker, this washi tape, is from Lauren Phelps Design Collections. This is from Green and Lime. Okay, and then this is going to be my habit tracker for the month of March. And I have several months ahead here to plan. Start each day with a grateful heart, just a sticker that I had. And then I created this with all of the supplies in my planner kit from Coco Daisy. And I just came up with 2 words that were motivational and kind of had to do with cactus, and that is having endurance and strength. Okay, and then this leads into my month at a glance. Just a design I created with all the supplies. And we go into my months. Another little clip from Green and Lime. And this is going to be my month of March. And I have all of my months ahead here. And then moving on, I just designed this dashboard as well. And these 2 little stickers here came from the washi tape shop. I had to think of that for a minute. The washi tape shop. And this little handmade thing came from Lorena's Creative Design. That was on my package. And I have all of these tapes here from the washi tape shop. And just love them. I just started purchasing some of them, and I can't wait to do my next order. Okay, my next dashboard. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. Another card that came in the kit. So, you know, it's such a great thing with Coco Daisy. They coordinate all these things by color, by theme, and it's really easy for you to put them together. And I just pull out some of my scrapbook paper and coordinate some of the colors. This goes into my meal planner. And another design I just created with the stickers and the paper that is included in the kit. And then I have my meal planning and another washi tape here from the washi tape shop. And here's my meal plan. This is actually a pencil. Love it, from Tokyo Pen Shop. And this is a sticker that I loved. You had to dance like nobody's watching, dream like you will live forever, live like you're going to die tomorrow, and love like it's never going to hurt. And another dashboard that I made. This one says, beauty is one of the great facts in the world, like sunlight or springtime, or the reflection in dark water of that silver shell we call the moon. And I thought it was so appropriate because my theme is Cactus Moon. And another card from the Cactus Moon. No, actually, this is not from Cactus Moon. This one, which I love from Coco Daisy, I'm able to implement and pull in other kits from other months. This is actually from the February subscription kit. And it says, she dances to the song in her head, speaks with the rhythm of her heart, and loves from the depths of her soul. Very inspirational. This is just something fun and cute that I liked and I made. And it goes into what I'm going to put all my contacts, whether it be family or friends or Instagram accounts. I'm just going to be able to put them all in here and keep them handy. And I just love this. I think I got it off of Etsy, but I went back through all my purchases and I couldn't find out where I got it. So if anybody knows, leave a comment. This is the bookmark I was telling you about. It's gorgeous, beautifully handmade. And it's from Lorena at Lorena's Creative Design. And I love to read books, and I love coffee, and I love hot tea. And I just ordered this from her, and now I'm just afraid to use it. Like, I just put it in here and preserve it because it is just so beautiful, and I don't want to ruin it. And on the back side is another bookmark. I just made this one, though. Just got some scrap paper. This is these stickers and this washi tape. Coffee theme, again, love coffee. The Lauren Phelps design collection. And so I just keep that here on the other side. And also I got this in my order from Lauren Phelps Design, LPD Design. And it was like a thank you in there in the kit. And I absolutely love it. It's perfect for my planner. And then at the back, I just have a zip pouch here. And it has sticky notes and flags. And it has stickers. Just handy stickers. Love this one this is from Miss Moss. And I just need to place another order because she has the cutest things. Love this coffee one. This is from the Sticker Genie. And my patriotic flag. I just have to have it in my planner. And reminds me of patriotism in our great country. And this is the notepad from the Cactus Moon. Have it right here in the back of my planner. This is Lauren Phelps' design. This is my little keepsake that I keep from Happy Mail when I received all of my things from her. This is the pen that comes with one of my Cocoa Daisy kits. And I love it. I actually order I think it's called the ball point tip. And I replace it in there because I do like a thicker, I think I like a 0.7 to write with. And it doesn't come with that in the kit, and so I order it separately, and then I just swap it out. Anyway, that is everything. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. I am back. I plan to get back into this and share with you my love and passion for planners and loving the creativeness that it allows me. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to post again real soon. Thank you.